Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I wanted to show you our latest kit. This is the Sweet Sparkler Table Runner. Now, it is very sweet. It also has a little sparkle to it because the star blocks have some nice movement to them. And if we zoom in here a little bit, you'll see that we even have a little bit of metallic touch in this blue fabric, so that sparkles a little bit. So this is going to be so pretty on your spring or summer table. This is a nice weekend project to put together. Let me show you the kit. Now in the kit, you are going to get a printed full color pattern with lots of diagrams. You're going to get all of the fabrics to make the top and the binding. Now we also have available for separate purchase some backing kits. So we have a few different patterns that you can choose for your backing kit. We have special early bird pricing going on right now, so you will want to check that out. Get this right away so you can get the early bird pricing and you can start sewing your Sweet Sparkler Table Runner.